Breakup the Day Burner, y'all. It's 15 minutes of walking. It's 30 seconds of bicycles, 10 seconds of push-ups, 30 seconds of leg lifts, 1 minute on 4 body rotation. I'm going to show you that movement. Right after that round, you do oblique crunches, 30 seconds of inchworms, 30 seconds of big flutter kicks, 30 seconds of high plank shoulder taps. That's 1 round. You do that 3 times. Hop out the door again. 5 minutes, speedy, walk or jog. Get up, get this done. You may break a sweat, break up your day. We have to move. Woo! Here are the exercises. 30 seconds of bicycles. So you're here, guys. 30 seconds. Bicycles. Roll over after 30 seconds. 10 seconds. Good push-ups. Next one, you got leg lifts. Lower back needs to stay flat. Knees come in, up, down, slow. Knees in, up, down, slow. I love this next movement. You spend a minute doing it. You're on 4s. You just think diagonals. You switch. Wherever your foot is, wherever your arm is, they're going to change spots. They're going to trade out. So you're here, you're going to go here. Then you go back. Boom. Then you switch. You go here, and you go back. You spend a minute doing that. You can mix it up. You can go here. You can go back. 1 minute. Somebody's getting ready for Twister. Woo! Next one's oblique crunches. You're on your side. Knees come up to 90. Here, hands back here, up. Squeeze your obliques. Squeeze them. Inchworms, guys. Here are inchworms. Body straight. Walk it out. Drop your hips. Walk it back. Walk it out. Drop the hips. Walk it back. Good form there with that one. Next up, big flutter kicks. On your back, we're here. 5-second hold. Switch. Lower back stays flat. Top leg, try to get it as straight as possible. High plank shoulder taps. We're here. Touch shoulders. 30 seconds. You can do feet wide. You can do feet close. 30 seconds. Run 3 rounds of that. Then you're outside. 5-minute jog, 5-minute walk. How did it go? Have fun.